And Mariana, sweetheart, can I speak to you for a second before you go, please? Is there any reason that Nick would be under the impression that you want to come and see him again?
No, why?
Well, I got a call from his doctor, and apparently Nick asked when you were coming to visit him again.
Well, I'm not. And why aren't his doctors doing their job? I mean, I can't be Nick's only reason for living.
Okay, no worries, love. I'll take care of it. All right, get to school, you guys. Get to school. So you're not going to tell her about the hearing? Well, you see how well that went. Can you imagine how she's going to react if I tell her that they're trying to get Nick released from the hospital?